resource, one book I like and I use a lot, I actually bring it with me. It's like a toolbox which I like to use, and some of you will know it because they're quite well known, is game storming. I think game storming has some of the most practical activities that can be used in many different ways. And the reason I say that is because it leaves the activities in game storming leave you with enough space so you can quickly change the activities and run them in a way that works for you. I'm a big believer of don't let the tools lead how you run the activity. A tool or a framework is there to help you. And if that framework or tool doesn't work, then change it. But that is one way to get started, which helps people with visioning and helps people with, selecting ideas, sharing back ideas, got all kinds of activities in there. Is one that I absolutely go for and I've been using for years. And they have a really good team behind them of practical people who've applied these things to very practical projects. And then to Alyssa's question, how would you compose a team to do this activity? It depends, clearly it depends. It depends on what it is that you're looking for. I would start with a core team, whatever that core team is. I would like to mix that up. I don't think it has to be hippos or the highest paid, personal opinion. It doesn't just have to be senior business leads. You can, but why not get a variety of people from your team? Because these data points and insights can come from anywhere. Your ideas can come from anywhere. Doesn't mean that they can make a decision or where to put the business resources and the budgets. But I would say to get a nice variety of people will lead you to having a nice variety of data. Again, you put the same people with the same background, reading the same reports they bought from the same consultancies in the room, you're probably going to come up with the same things. I always tell people there's a reason when Coke Zero and Pepsi Max kind of launch at the same time, or similar business models, half the tech companies are doing very similar things, is because they're all reading the same things, they're having the same conversations. So mix that up. And see how it goes. I don't really have a black and white answer. That's basically what I'm saying. These are things you're going to have to play with and figure out what works best for you.